This is today's Canva template. Isn't it cute? The Oreo cups. So if you don't have your template, head on over to the craftprintshop.com. Get yours now, and let's get straight into today's tutorial. If you purchase your template, then you end up right here. If not, then you can head over to the craftprintshop.com, get your template. All of the links in the description of this video, and meet us up over here. So you're going to end up on this page and you're going to select use template for new design. Then you end up here in Canva. The first thing you're going to do is go over to the left at the top here and select file. Then you're going to click on the title, which is the name of this specific file. You're going to change it to whatever you want it to be named in your Canva account. Press enter and then come out of it. Now that you're here, as you can see, it's simple. It's already made to look just like the container. So you're going to go in and change the name. Don't forget the apostrophe S, because sometimes I do. If it's too long, it goes over to the second line. You could just extend the text and make it fit. We're going to make it smaller so it fits directly in the center here, right? And that's it. That's it, and that's all. You're ready to make this look exactly like the container. Now, if you want to change some of the text, you can change the color by selecting the little alphabet with the color here. It'll bring up the color palette. These are the colors that are already in our design, and then the extra colors, you could just choose one if you wanted to change it. I'm just going to go back. Now, the outlining of the letters, you would just click on effect, and then that's the color right here. You can just change that if you want to as well. That red stands out really cute. And the same for mini and the same for cookie and our little triangle here. If you want to change the color, just go up here and that's it. Don't move anything around. Don't change the sizing. This is exactly how it needs to be. You're going to go to the top right. Oh, just in case, let me just go back. You can also upload an image if you want, remove the background. You can go to elements here. And if you want to find certain images that you want to put in, like this little teddy bear, you could just, put, hold on. You could put matching items. I don't know why I'm messing up today. Let's go back. Let's move our little bear out the way. Come, Teddy. Now the cookies are moving. Right there. Let's put this back. There we go. So you want to add images that matches your current theme. Just put them in here. If you want to add a picture of someone that you have uploaded into Canva, just know in order to remove the background, you have to have Canva Premium, and then you can just select background remover, and there you go. You can add the person's picture anywhere that you please. And even if you bring it like this, where it's coming off of the design, this will actually be good because when you cut it, you're going to cut right off there. So it's going to look smooth and even, right? Now, right next to background remover, you see this little crown right here. That means you have to have Canva Premium. So any images that you see in Canva with that little thing there, you have to have the Pro. Premium, Pro, same thing. It's about $12.99 a month. You don't need it to use Canva. Come in here and just use what you want. And just look for designs. Type in what you're looking for in the search. In elements, look for designs and just choose the ones without the little crown next to it. And you can use it for free. So now we're going to print. I'm just going to go back and take all of that out because I'm just going to print the original design, right? So you're going to go to the top right and select share. You're going to go to download. You're going to select PDF print. Then you're going to check off flatten PDF and then download. Now that we have our download opened, we're going to print it. I'm using the Epson EcoTank 16600, but you can honestly use any printer that you have. Just make sure you match your print settings to the type of paper that you're using. I'm going to have all of the papers that I'm using linked, all of the supplies linked in this video, also in the PDF from your purchase. So we're going to go to File, Print. I'm using the Epson EcoTank 16600, like I said. Now we're going to go to our media type. I'm sending to the rear feeder. Now here, I always choose photo high gloss paper. You want to use any setting that says glossy. It's going to be different words for different printers, but select your glossy with your glossy paper. The quality defaults to best. I'm going to do more than one print, and then we're going to print. Okay, so we have our printout, and as you can see with this one, you have to use the scissors. You can't use the paper trimmer for this. Now I'm going to show you how we're just wrapping it with the sticker paper. And listen, guys, you would do the same with any other paper. Just use either some double-sided tape on the back, or you can use your glue gun to glue it, right? So first, we're going to cut this out. And there we have it. And this is the cup that we're using. This is the 3.5 ounce cup. Okay, so now if you're really good at placing these, you can take the whole backing off. I'm not. I need to line it up first, and then I'm going to press the edges. So I'm going to cut off the edge. Same on this side. Now, if you're using some glossy paper that is not sticker paper, you're going to want to put like a double-sided piece of tape on each edge, line it up, then press it down. Same thing if you want to use a glue gun. Line it up, make sure you have it at the right spot, then put the glue and press it down. So this is why I'm leaving that center. I need to line it up to make sure it is where it needs to be first before I press down. Right, so we're going to come back here. See, already I got to peel it up because it didn't line up right. Okay, hold on. I think I got it. And press it down. And press it down. Did I get it? I got it. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. And that's it. So simple, so easy. Thank you guys for watching. If you did not get your template, head on over to thecraftprintshop.com. Get your template now and many of the others that I have. They will be linked in the description of this video. And if it's your first time here on my YouTube, not Instagram, but I'm there too, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys for the next upload.